guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some ghee at home and I thought it would be a good idea to show you how I do it. So the first thing you'll be needing is a heavy bottomed pan. It's very important that your pan is heavy bottomed because we are going to melt our butter, and if it is not heavy bottomed then there are good chances of your butter getting burnt. And the only ingredient that you'll be needing in this recipe is butter. So when we were in India, we used to buy raw milk, but here in the States we don't get raw milk. So this is the close proximity that I found. It's called the sweet cream butter. This is like, it resembles very much the cream that my mother-in-law takes out of raw milk. I don't know if you can see, but it has like a yellowish hue to it, and it tastes very much close to the butter that that my people make back in India. So the first step would be to add all your butter in the pan and turn on the heat to medium low. And the key to get smooth ghee is to melt your butter on a consistent heat, like this medium low heat, and maybe in future we will reduce it to low depending on how fast our ghee is melting, our butter is melting. Now my butter has come to a vigorous boil, as you can see, and the foam is clearing up all by itself. Like I've seen many videos where they scoop the foam out and they filter it out or something. You don't have to really do that. It just happens all by itself if it is set on the right temperature. So prepare my jar in which I will put the ghee in. This is the jar, and I have a filter, and I have just 2 curry leaves. This is just optional. You can add it or you can skip it. Your ghee will still smell amazing, but I do it every time, so I just have 2 curry leaves for it in there, and I'll put it in the very end when I'm gonna just switch off the stove. Before that I'll put the curry leaves and then we'll be done. Now you can see how our butter looks clear. It resembles more to an oil, like a cooking oil. This will be the right stage to add our curry leaves and to switch off the stove. Maybe I'll let it go for another minute, and then I will switch off the stove, and I will show you how it looks once everything is settled down. So our ghee is all done. As you can see, it's all clear, and there are some sediments in the bottom. The milk solids have gone to the very bottom, and we are ready to filter it into this jar, and that's it. We are done. Here we have, guys, our ghee final product, and I put it in a little pot, a ghee pot, which I will be using daily, and you can see how smooth it is. It smells so amazing. If you see the residue, this is the residue I have right here. It's all the milk solids. They have settled down below, and this is all that I can catch. So this is why we call it the clarified butter. The butter has been clarified and it has left all the solids in the bottom, the pan, and all we have is this amazing smelling ghee. So if you like this method, give this technique a try and let me know how it went by. And for more fun videos, subscribe to my channel and like my page on Facebook. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again soon in another video. Bye.